Hey, what's up guys, this is me Priyanshu, and in this today's video I'm gonna talk about how you can create image picker in React Native Expo Go. So first you have to come in new in your folder, and you have to open CMD and create a fresh new project. Type out Expo init image picker. I am taking this name as image picker. You can take whatever you like. uh, Expo init image picker. Choose the blank template. So after this has the project is ready, we can just open this project like cd image picker. I'll open this in VS Code. You can open it in whichever code editor you like. Okay, so after this we have to install a library. I'll clear this terminal and type out npm install expo image picker. Okay, this is installed. Now what we will do is come to app.js and remove this unwanted code. We don't have to style anything in here, so what we will do is, for just sake, here we will add one image for now. Dot I'll take any image from here. Let's take this one. Let's take this one and come to my folder, new folder, image picker, assets, and I'll now here create a folder named images and paste that image in here. I will name this something easy that I can take easily, which is going to be image 1. Okay, in here I will type out image 1 and I'll style this as styles dot image, my image. Okay, now first let's see how is it looking. So for that, we will open our emulator and open this app in emulator. I'll type out npm start in my folder, in my image picker folder. Okay, now type out a. It will start it will start to open this app in your emulator. Okay, there's a problem, I guess. Okay, this image1.jpg is not in direct assets, it's in images, assets slash images. So okay, so now it will work fine this time. Okay, see, now this is working fine. Let us just style this a bit. What we will do is give this container of this is already 100%, so we will give the height and width of 100% to our image. Width is going to be 100%, height is going to be 100%, and see, it's working. Okay, it's working great. And what I'll do is change the resize mode to cover, probably, or contain. Okay, that's much better. Now we will create we will import expo image picker like import all as image picker from expo image picker. Okay, now what we will do is create a variable which will be selected image and set selected image and in here I will import use state, which it automatically have imported. If you did not do this by itself, then you can just import it manually and it will be null by default. And I'll create a function named pick image, which is going to be a async function. Okay, now what I'll do is type out const status status from await image picker dot request media library permission async, and if status triple equal to granted, we will open the image picker by typing out let result image picker dot launch image library async, and in that we will type out media types, which is going to be image picker dot media type options dot images. You can choose videos also, but for now I'm choosing images. And in here I'll type allows editing. The user can rotate and crop the image before importing it to our app, which will be set to true. Aspect ratio, let's just keep it empty probably, or just don't give it if you want that your image comes as full size there and you don't want any restrictions to the image the user imports. And in here we will type quality to be 1. Okay, and now, and don't forget, this is going to be you have to type out await in here to make it work. And now come down here and type out if result dot cancelled. If the result is not cancelled, then set selected image to be result dot URI. Okay, and let us just console log that once to confirm that it works. Result. Okay, and we will call this pick image function on with use effect. So import use effect snippet, we will type out here pick image. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Give it the permission, allow all. It will open our image picker, and if we pick this image, it is taking us to the editing page in where we can crop, edit or rotate the image. Okay, I'll select the full image and type crop. Okay, and if we come here, we can see our result is logged in here. So our URI is our URI is not in the results but in the assets, object. So for that, what we have to do is results dot assets 0 dot URI. Okay, now it will work fine. So now what we will do is take this selected image and in here come and type out if selected image, then render this component, image component. Okay, and the URI of this image component is going to be our URI, which will be selected image. Okay, now it will work fine. Let's see how it goes. We'll save it, and it's asking for the image picker. Image picker is asking for image picker is asking to us about picking the image. We'll pick an image, we'll crop it. After cropping the image, you can see the image is fully fine, functional. This is working in just one go. Okay, and we can add one button also to make it visually appealing. For that, what we will do is import pressable type out text, and I'll type out I will type button text, and for the pressable also I will type button. Okay, let us just keep it button, and in text we will type pick image. Okay, let's see how it goes. And one more condition is there, that but I'm going to do, I will do something like if selected image is there, then it will show us the image, and if that is not there, then it will say us to, it will show us that button to pick an image. Okay, so I'll cut it here. So if selected image is there, it will show us the image component, and if it's not there, it will show us the pressable button. Okay, and it should work fine. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's asking again for us because we have added the use effect like pick image. Okay, what we will do in here is if selected image is not there, or it is null, then it will say us to pick image, else it will not. Okay, so I'll cut it and make some changes to this and save it again. See, now it is not asking me to select an image because selected image is already there. Now what I will do is reload this app. Okay, let me just style this button, and for your context, that the main thing which was to add an image picker, which is already done. If you want to leave this video, you can leave this for now, but I am just doing this for sake for other users. If you want to hang on, if you want to hang on to this video, you can do that. I'll tap out button. Background color will be FF2770. It should work fine. Yes, this is great. Now I will give a width of 200, border radius of 12, height of 45, or you can say 50. 50, and I will edit that text also, button text, which is going to be the color of white, font weight of 900, and the font size will be 20. Okay, and let me just edit something else, like align items center, justify content center. Okay, see, this is working fine, this is looking amazing. Okay, so when I click on this pick image, oh okay, we have to add this function also. So on press it will be pick image. Okay, so when I pick this image, when I click on this pick image button, it opens the image picker, or you can say media gallery. And when I pick any image, it takes us to the editing page where we can just edit our image. We can rotate it, mirror it, or crop it. I have selected the whole image by cropping, and I will click on crop, and see the image is working fine, and the code is working fine in one go. So this is how you can create image picker in Expo, besides React Native, because that is just really hard to do in React Native. So this is it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one, and till then, happy hacking. Bye.